Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The minor Roman 3 chord is built on the third scale degree in a key. In major keys, it is a minor triad with 3 semitones between root and third. It shares 2 common tones with the relative I or Roman 6 chords in many progressions. Functionally, it can substitute for Roman 6 or lead to Roman 4 and V for smooth motion. Recognize the scale degrees. Third is the chord root. Fifth and minor third complete the triad. Knowing these intervals helps voice leading and melodic connections across a progression. The Roman 3 chord commonly appears in Roman 2 VI variants and deceptive progressions. Use Roman 3 as a passing chord between I and Roman 6 to create rising bass lines. Try I to Roman 3 to Roman 6 for smooth root motion by ascending thirds and common tones. In minor keys, the Roman 3 is major and can substitute for V or relative major chords. Experiment with modal mixture, borrowing Roman 3 from parallel major for color and lift. Listen for shared notes and stepwise motion to ensure smooth voice leading. For piano voicings, keep the Roman 3 triad close with optional added sixth for warmth. Use the upper voice to maintain common tones when moving from I to Roman 3 to Roman 6. On guitar, play Roman 3 as a bar or partial bar using root on the 5th string. Inversions help. First inversion reduces bass leap. Second inversion offers pedal stability. Apply voice leading rules. Move common tones, resolve tendency tones by step, avoid parallels. Practice with progressions at 60 BPM, then at 90 BPM, increasing dynamics and articulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.